The loyal dog. Tommy was a loyal and loving dog, deeply devoted to his owner, Sarah. They lived in a cozy cottage on the outskirts of a small town. Sarah and Tommy shared an unbreakable bond, forged through years of companionship and mutual trust. Tommy's favorite activities included long walks in the nearby forest and playing fetch with Sarah in the meadow. Tommy stayed by Sarah's side, refusing to leave her even as the storm intensified. Eventually, rescuers arrived, braving the storm to check on the town's residents. When they reached Sarah's cottage, they found Tommy guarding his unconscious owner, barking loudly to alert them. Thanks to Tommy's unwavering loyalty, his owner received timely help and recovered. Moral lesson: loyalty and trustworthiness can save lives and strengthen bonds.